Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and the party crews are out today. We can tell these boats are blasting their way into the inlet. It's a moderate day. We've got a 10 to 12 mile an hour wind, an outgoing tide, probably 2-foot seas. Let's see how our captains fare as they all step in the ring and try to battle with Haulover. And it appears our first round contestants ready to roll, so let's go and get this episode started. And our crew's making their way out of Haulover, and oh no! The anchor lockers popped open and Wifey's coming up to the bow to try and make the rescue. But oh no, she got knocked down! Haulover smacks her hard and she goes down for the count. She's going to get the assist here and get the locker closed, but Haulover did its damage, and she's going to think twice about going in that bow again, and Haulover's going to take a win here in the first round. Let's see if our second round crew has a little better luck than our first round, and man, here we go with these little whalers. I don't know what it is about them. Everybody seems to love them. This crew's got a smile on their faces. They're out here playing in the waters off of Haulover, and these guys, for whatever reason, never seem to have any issues. I don't know why. These little whalers just seem to take it just fine. And this crew is not going to have any issues either, and they're going to make their way right into Haulover and take a win for the boats here in the second round. And this will even things up as we move into the third round of our competition. And here we've got a little Yamaha making its way in. I can't quite tell if this is the 190 or the 212, but this crew's trying to post up on the back of the wave and play it smart as they try and make it into Haulover. Here we're going to speed back up again, and now we're going to have some yacht wake to deal with, and this always complicates things a little bit. Little air, and bam, the smack! And they smack hard, and it brings them right back off a plane. This crew just caught the lip of that first wave, gets a little air, lands a little funky on the second wave, and that was enough. Straight back to a screeching halt. And this crew's going to have to work hard to try and get this vessel back up on plane with this outgoing current and other vessels coming in around them. Unfortunately, this is enough for this crew though for me to go ahead and give a win to Haulover in this round. And that'll give Haulover the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round of our competition. And here we've got a Midnight Express, and this boat's absolutely flying. My man's got the throttle pinned and making his way toward the mouth of the inlet, getting a little air, getting a little dog barking action, and this crew should have no issues. This boat's more than capable on a day like today to absolutely annihilate Haulover, and that's exactly what this boat's going to do with its Quint 400s on the back, and they're not going to have one issue whatsoever and take a win for the boats in this round. And this will take us into the fifth and final round of our competition, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And man, it is not big enough today for this. Our guy looks like he's going to try and dance his way right into the inlet, and there's not much Haulover's likely going to be able to do to stop him, unless a bigger yacht comes out throwing a bigger wake. But even that, I don't think on a day like today is going to be enough. But our guy right here is just kind of showing off for the inlet, and Haulover doesn't like that. Sometimes she'll throw a little smack out. Let's see how he fares. And unfortunately, even with our guy flexing on the inlet, Haulover just doesn't have enough to throw at it today, and this crew's going to take a win for the boats, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.